Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by adding the screen recorder tile to Quick Settings so you can launch recording fast. Tap the pencil, drag screen recorder into the panel, then swipe down and tap it. When the permission prompt appears, allow microphone and storage access so audio and files save correctly. Once done, choose whether to show touches. Making that choice now avoids redoing it later. Make sure to close heavy apps to reduce lag, and prepare the exact screen you want to capture before hitting record. Now you'll set detailed options so the capture matches your goals. Tap the settings icon in the recorder pop-up and choose audio. Select mic for narration or media for system sound. Choose both if you need them. Next, pick resolution and frame rate. Higher settings give clearer video but use more storage. Enable front camera overlay if you want a face cam, and toggle show touches to highlight taps. Once configured, start a short test recording to confirm audio levels and visual clarity before doing the full take. To finish, tap the stop control on screen or pull down the notification and press stop. The file saves to gallery automatically. Open the clip, trim unwanted start or end, then use share to upload or send. If the recording failed or audio is missing, make sure permissions remain granted, reboot the phone, and test the mic and voice recorder to isolate hardware versus settings. If the recorder won't appear, reset Quick Settings and update your system. These steps usually resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.